my name is Grace Callwood and I am a proud Camp Happy counselor, and today I will be showing you how to make your own nature bins. The items that will be needed for today's project are tape, markers, construction paper of any color, scissors, and any type of container. I'm using a box from some grits. You have two ways of doing this. You could either decorate your construction paper first, or you can do it last like I did. I'll be decorating mine last after I put it on the container. So, what you want to do next would be to take your container and line it up with the paper you're going to use as the base. So, then you're going to mark where you have to cut it based on how tall the paper is, according to the oatmeal box. So you want to line it up with the bottom, and then you're going to mark with your marker where to cut at the top. And if it helps, you can do this on both ends of the paper so that you know where to cut on both sides. Be sure to line it up properly so that you don't have too much hanging off the bottom or too much at the top. But it's better to leave the stuff hanging off at the top so that we can cover it up with tape later on. I will tape this here, and then we will wrap this around. And get our next piece of tape. Alright campers, you have your base for your nature bin. Next thing up is you're going to make a banner, and this is totally optional, but this is how I made mine. You can make a banner to go around the center, kind of like how I did on my example one. And I'm going to be writing, I love nature. I used green for both because I automatically think of green when I think of nature. I know! And what you're going to do is make sure that this will go across accordingly, which it will. And instead of writing the words, whatever you want to write, I'm going to be writing mine before I put it around the box. So, you can write anything you want, but I'm going to be writing, I love nature. You are almost done with your nature bin. This is somewhat what it should look like so far. Here's the last step for me, unless you did this ahead of time. I am going to be decorating my box by drawing different things like leaves or trees or birds or anything you'd like. I have a tree, a bug, a leaf, a bird. Alright campers, this is what the final product should somewhat look like. I hope you all have had a great time making your very own nature bins. Now go outside and find some cool things in nature. Alright campers, so I found some pretty good stuff on my small little journey. So let's just see how much I was able to find in nature. I found a small flower. It's very pretty, it's a little white flower. Put this by my ear. I found a small leaf. It's a little bit crunched up, but it's pretty. I was able to find, oddly enough, a clove of garlic. I don't know how long we've had this here, but you can find some pretty cool things in nature if you look around. I found a red berry looking object. Maybe it'll turn into a raspberry or something, but I found this. And last but not least, I found a little leaf from one of our bushes. So I think the wackiest thing I found today would probably be my clove of garlic. So let's see if we can add that to a meal later on today. I hope you all have had a great time making your very own nature bins and collecting items from nature. And always embrace nature and keep having fun.